Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn class 10 state board and chapter is life process in living organism part 1, and in this the topic is mitosis. So this is a cell and this cell divides into two daughter cells and this process is known as mitosis. Okay. Now somatic cells and stem cells are divided by mitosis. Now mitosis, the division of the cell, take place in two steps. So what are these two steps? First the nucleus is divided and then the cytoplasm. When the nucleus is divided, it is known as karyokinesis. Karyo means nuclear and kinesis means division. Okay. Now when the cytoplasm divides, it is known as cytokinesis. Cyto means cytoplasmic and kinesis means division. But here the nuclear divide in 4 steps. So what are these 4 steps? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. These are the 4 steps. Now we are going to go in detail in this 4 steps of karyokinesis. Now we are going to study the structure of cell in short. So this is a cell, and in this cell we know that there is a nucleus, in the nucleus there is a nucleolus, this is a nuclear membrane and this is centrole. Okay. Now this is chromosome and this chromosome is made up of 2 sister chromatids. Okay, and they are joined by the centromere. So this dot is a centromere. Further we are going to deal with prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So let's start with the first step, that is the prophase. In the prophase these are the point. So first point is condensation of chromosome. So this chromosome become thick and short. Okay. Further the centrole. So this centrole duplicates and they move to the opposite pole of the cell. Okay. Now the nuclear membrane. So this nuclear membrane and nucleolus start to disappear, like Mr. India in the movie. He disappears. Here also the nuclear membranes and nucleolus disappear. Okay. So prophase we are going to remember as Mr. India. Okay. Further metaphase. So second step is metaphase and these are the points. So first is nuclear membrane completely disappear. So there is no nuclear membranes over here. Okay. Now the chromosomes are arranged. So these chromosomes are arranged parallel in the equatorial plane. Further the spindle fibers are formed. So what are these spindle fibers? Spindle fiber are flexible protein. These spindle fibers are like a thread. Okay. Now these spindle fibers are formed between the centromere of the chromosomes and these 2 centroles of the cell. So these are the spindle fibers and it appears like a leaf. So metaphase we are going to remember in the form of a leaf. Okay. So prophase we are going to remember as Mr. India and metaphase as a leaf. Further we are going to deal with anaphase and telophase. Now we start with anaphase and telophase. Anaphase, the third step, okay, and these are the points. So first is centromere split. So this is the chromosome and here the centromere split, okay, and these chromosomes get separated. They are pulled apart in the opposite direction with the help of this spindle fiber. Okay. Then the next is chromosomes pulled appears. So these chromosomes appears like a bunch of bananas. Okay, you can imagine as a bunch of bananas. Now last is the chromosome. There is a set of chromosomes. There is a 2 set of chromosomes in the opposite poles of the cell. Okay. Now the last is telophase. The telophase is the 4th step and these are the points. So chromosome decondense. So this is the chromosome and this chromosome decondense. Okay, and we get becomes a thread like, thin, very thin, thread like and invisible. Now next is nuclear membrane and nucleolus. So this nuclear membrane and nucleolus appears, that is Mr. India come back. Okay, and 2 nuclei, these 2 nuclei are formed. So here we complete with anaphase and telophase.